Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use aloe gel for acne. This will be a complete tutorial and I'll be going over the basics of using aloe gel to clear up your acne on your face. Now, believe it or not, at one point when I was younger, I had a significant amount of acne and pimples on my face. And my mom had an aloe plant. She still has an aloe plant in her house. Actually, it's the same thing. It's the same one many years later, much bigger. With the aloe plant, she told me to apply the gel to my face and it allowed the acne to slowly but surely go away. And the most important thing was that I didn't have any acne scars. I know the lighting is pretty bad, but if you look at my face right here, you'll see that I don't have any acne scars. So acne generally speaking goes away naturally, but this not only speeds up the healing process, but it also makes sure that the elasticity of your skin retains and the collagen stays in it. Therefore, it's going to allow it to be less likely to leave scars. It's very simple. Now, this is actually some aloe gel directly from an aloe leaf from an aloe plant. So this is not from a bottle, not a store-bought product, but a store-bought product is perfectly fine. If you can just get aloe gel from the store, that's totally fine too. But I mean, if you can get it directly from the leaf, that's going to be key. Now, first and foremost, you can either apply it like this as the gel, or you can actually take a leaf and you can rub it on your face. Now, what you want to do is you want to essentially take the gel, okay, so get some on your hand. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have acne anymore, and I want to preserve this for when I actually need it on my skin. But you want to take the gel and you want to apply it over the acne area on your face and also a little bit extra around there. So not only over the acne area, but let's say I had acne right over here, I would apply it in a little bit of a bigger area. And I'll tell you why. Simply because your acne, not that it spreads, but it definitely affects more than the area that you see. The acne that you see right there has a greater effect than what has already come to the surface of the skin, okay? And you want to leave it on there for about 5 minutes or so. Don't wash it off right away, because what the aloe gel is going to do is it's going to stay inside of your skin. It's going to soak up into your skin. It has many healing properties, so first and foremost, it's going to allow the acne and pimples to heal much faster than they would have without it. But in addition to its healing properties, it's going to allow the skin to stay moist, because acne dries out the skin. Have you ever noticed that when you have acne, you sort of get flaky skin, right? And that's because it dries it out. But aloe gel will allow it to stay moist, which will allow the skin to be less likely to scar up once the acne is gone. Because acne is bad, but acne usually goes away. What's worse than the acne itself is these scars, or are these scars that the acne leaves. So with that being said, this is something simple that you can do. You can either take real gel from an aloe leaf like this, apply it to your skin. You can use a store-bought bottle of aloe gel. I mean, they're both good. They both get the job done. Apply it to your skin, or you can just get an aloe vera leaf from a plant, cut it so that the gel is available, and then take that leaf and rub it on your skin. That's what I did originally. I would take the leaf and I would just rub the gel side of the inside of the leaf on my skin. And it's good because it's so fresh. Like this aloe vera gel, I got it, I don't know, I want to say about a week and a half ago. I gathered it up from a leaf that I had lying around. If you're using it directly from the leaf itself, it's going to be probably the best bet. So if you are serious about getting rid of your acne with aloe gel, then honestly I would recommend you go out there, you buy an aloe vera plant, you learn how to get the leaves off. I've done tutorials on that, so check those out. How to take off, how to remove an aloe vera leaf, how to get the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Check those out. But what you want to do is get a plant, get the leaf off, cut the leaf, allow the gel to be available, and then rub that gel on the acne area plus a little bit more. And that is essentially how to get rid of acne, or basically using aloe gel for acne to help the acne, get rid of it, and avoid scar tissue remaining on your skin once it's gone. Let's face it, nobody wants scar tissue on their skin. You know, it happens sometimes, but by taking the appropriate measures, you can make it less likely to happen. Can it still happen? Of course, it can still happen, but it's less likely to happen. That's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this complete tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.